This is what happens when it rains too much. Garlic got enough water. This is not ready yet, it has to dry up. This is garlic. I have about 5 cloves inside. This one looks it's gonna about to be ready in another couple months. Papaya tree, lots of water. I will show you the before and after picture. I had it when it was a lot smaller in a 5-gallon container. More seeds over here as well. This is a soursop, and the most famous one, finger lime. I had it for about a year. And vanilla ice cream bean. And last and final will be dragon plant that I grew from cuttings. It's in a 15-gallon container. I have quite a few of dragon plants growing, but this one's doing really well. You see a lot of cuttings.